What's up guys, this is Adit from Tech is Easy, and in today's video I'm going to show you the 4 best ways that you can record the screen of your PC. So this is going to work for Windows or a Mac, except for one method which is only for Windows. So now let's get started. So the first method is only going to be for Windows, so all the Mac users can use the timestamps and go to the next way. So now I'm going to start with the first method, which is the built-in Windows screen recorder. So I'm first just going to tell you all the advantages and disadvantages of this. So the advantage is that it's built in, so you won't have to install any external software. After that, it's extremely easy to use. There's only one button to record, and after that you can start recording your screen. Then the third big advantage is that it saves the recording in the form of an MP4 file, while some of the others save it in other formats. But now the biggest disadvantage is that you can't have your face cam. So if you want your camera, then I'd suggest to look at other methods. So to enable this, what you've got to do is go to settings. Then you've got to search game bar. So over here it's written game bar shortcuts. So click on that. So now under enable Xbox game bar, just click on this. So now if you also want to record your microphone, you've got to go to microphone privacy. Over here, microphone privacy settings. And now scroll down, and next to Xbox game bar, you've just got to enable it. So now once that's done, I'm going to show you how it works. What you've got to do is press Windows and G simultaneously. So now I'm going to do that. This is to start a new recording. This is to enable or disable the mic. And now to start a recording, just click on this. So this is the first method. Now I'm going to show you the second method. So now the second method is using Zoom. So Zoom is essentially made for meetings, but it can also be used to record your screen. So the biggest advantage of Zoom is that you can have your face cam on, and it's extremely easy to use. But one disadvantage of Zoom is that you've got to be connected to the internet. So you have to have Wi-Fi or a hotspot connection. I'll quickly just show you how it works. So I'm opening Zoom right now. You'll have to log in with your account. After that, you've just got to start a new meeting. So then you can start or stop your video if you want. And then just click on share screen. So now if I want to share the new tab, I'll select it and now just click on share. So over here, this screen is getting shared and my camera is over here. So if I want to move it around, I can just move it anywhere on the screen. And to stop it, just click on stop share. And now Zoom will automatically save this as an MP4. And once you're done, you can just end the meeting. I'm going to show you the third method. This is using OBS. So this is an open source software which you can download on your Mac or Windows PC. So this is used by almost all of the big YouTubers, and it gives you so many options that you won't need anything else if you install this. So now to install OBS, you can just search OBS download. Then just click on the first option. And now based on your device, just click on download. So over here I'll click on download installer. And if you're a Mac user or Linux, you can click on Mac and then click on download installer. And I'll just show you how to install it quickly. So once a file gets downloaded, just go to downloads or wherever it's saved, and then it'll be written OBS Studio, which is an application. So click on that, and now just click on yes, and then it'll be downloaded on your laptop. So this is how OBS looks. It might look a bit complicated at first, but trust me, it's extremely easy to use. So if you say want to add a face cam, what you've got to do is click on the plus icon over here. Then just click on video and select that. Then just click on OK, and now you can see that the face cam has come. Over here you can change the size and the position, and you have many other options. So if you want a more detailed video on how this works, let me know down in the comments. Then if you want to start or stop a recording, you have that option on the bottom right, so you can use that. Now I'm going to show you the fourth way. This is using a software which is called FreeCam. So the biggest advantage of this is that once you finish recording your screen, they give you an option to edit the recording, and in that there's a feature using which you can remove all the background noise in the recording. So that's something that I really like. But one disadvantage of this is that you can't have your face cam on. So if you're fine with no face cam and you just want your screen to get recorded, this is an extremely good option. So I'll just show you how to install this and how it works. So you've got to search www.freescreenrecording.com. So you just got to go to this site. After that, you've just got to enter a random email ID and then click on download. So once it's downloaded, you can just open downloads. So I've reached downloads, and then you'll see a file which is called FreeCam. And then the same way, you've just got to click on it and then install it on your PC. So now I'm just going to open it and I'll show you how it works. So over here it's open, and to start a recording, just click on new recording. Then you can decide which part of the screen you want. So say if I want so much of the screen, then even if I want my mic, I can mute or unmute that. And then to start the recording, just click on this icon. So I'm recording for around 2 to 3 seconds. And now I've stopped the recording, and let's see how it works. So click on done. And over here, if you want to edit the video, you can click on edit, which is on the top left. So over here, you have many options. You can trim, then silence or delete. And then the one which I really like is remove noise. So say if I want to remove the noise, which is over here, then I can just select this part and then click on remove noise. So now you can see that the noise, it would have reduced a bit when you play it. So now if I want to delete, say, this part, since I wasn't saying anything, then I can click on delete and it's gone. And if you made any mistake and you want to silence it, that's that option over here as well. So now which one is the best? So it basically depends on the user. All of them are good in their own way. So one of the main advantages of OBS and Zoom is that you can have your face cam on. So if you want to have your face cam and you want to do high level of screen recording, then I suggest OBS, since that's available on Mac and Windows, and you've tons of options. You can control basically everything. Then Zoom you can also use, but the main issue which I found with that was that the internet connection. So if you don't have that good an internet connection, then there can be some problems in the video. So I suggest not going towards Zoom unless you know the software really well and you find that easy. Then if you don't want your face cam to be on, FreeCam is really good. And the main advantage, like I said, was that you can remove noise. And built-in Windows is good for all the users who just want to record the screen. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. You can also follow me on Instagram at TechIsEasyYT. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.